Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to build out a Tkinter desktop application, GUI desktop application where you can download image from a URL. Let me open this application, Python app 8.py. So as soon as I run this application, you will see the interface will look something like this. We have this input field where you will actually enter the address of the image that you want to download. Then the image will be loaded and will be displayed right here. And now we also have the download button as well. So just go to the internet and just load any image. So now let's suppose I search for any image right here that I want to download. Let's suppose I copy this image address and paste it. Click on this load image button. As soon as I do this, you will see the image will get displayed in the Tkinter window. And now this button has been activated. So as soon as I click this button, now I can select the location where we need to save this image. Click on and now you will see fail to save image. So just make sure that you have an extension. So let's suppose I take a different image, for example. Just make sure that the image has an extension. So I will simply copy this load image. So you will see that. Click on download image. So now you can see image saved to this location like this. I can cross check as well by going to the downloads directory. You will see the image is successfully saved. So in this easy way guys, you can build out a very simple application where you can actually download image from URL inside Tkinter. So now I will show you how to build this application. So all the source code is given in the description of the video. So what I will do, I will show you this application. So first of all, you need to import all the modules which are required for this application. So you just need to import the Tkinter package as TK, and then from this Tkinter package we need to import the file dialog and the message box, and then we need to import the URL to image, and from the pillow library we need to import the image and the image TK, and then we need to import the operating system module, and then here we need to initialize max display size, which will be the size of the window. So I will say 400 by 400, and then after that we will actually add widgets on the screen. So we will have initialize root tk is equal to tk, and then we will be giving the title to the window, root dot title image downloader. Here we can set the geometry like this. After that we will basically set a label where the user can write the address of the image. So here the user will paste the image address. So we added this inside the interface. After that we will have a load button. Now to see the result, we can simply call this function root main loop. So as soon as you run this application, now you will see it will, this input field is showing right here if you see. Now after that we just need a simple button so that the user can submit the form. So we will have a load button first of all. So as soon as you click the load image button, the image will be displayed. So now to display the image, we need an image label. So we are basically having this image label where the image will be displayed. And after that we will have the download button where we can download the image. So now you can see we have now the download button, download image, and we basically binded this on click listener to this button. So once you click this button, this function will execute, which is download underscore image. So right here. So if you now we just need to define this function, which is download image, like this. So if I try to run this application now, it will look something like this. It is saying load image is not defined. We also need to define this function as well. So now the interface looks like this. We have the where the user will write, then we have the load image, then we download image is disabled by default. So now what we need to do is that we need to go to this function uh, load image. So inside this function load image, we will load the image once the user clicks this button. So we will have this declare some variables, then we will get the value of this. After that we will display this inside this try URL to image dot convert URL. After that we will preview the image. For previewing the image we have this function which is pil image copy. And now we will just display this image like a simple thumbnail as a live preview. Yeah, so just after this we can display this as a thumbnail. So if you run this now, you will see as soon as you paste any sort of address, let's suppose I copy image address and I paste it. All the script guys is given in the description of the video, so don't need to worry about it. All the source code is given in the description. So now we now need to basically write this function for download image. So as soon as I click this button, I need to open a window so that I can download the image. So right here inside download image, we will specify use the file dialog module, ask directory. If no folder is selected, then we will simply return, because we do need to select a folder. So now inside the try catch, we will get the file name by operating system dot path base name URL entry dot get. So in this easy way we can get this. Like this. So after getting the file name, it becomes really easy to actually save this image. So at the appropriate location. So like this. Then we can display a simple notification that your image has been saved to this location, and then we use this operating system path join method to save this like this. Then we use the pillow library to save the location at that specific path. So this completes your application, and if I try to refresh and rerun the application, So once again, just repeat the process. You can see, you can select your location, and then this image has been saved. So this is actually the application, guys. You can definitely make it very easily inside the Tkinter image downloader. You can download images from URL inside this Python GUI kind of an application inside Tkinter. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.